guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, I'm back with another nail video and I am going to be doing some Valentine nails. And these are so pretty with the little red hearts and the little French tips. They're a rounded tip, which I'm not going to be able to trim. And they might be a little long for me, but I'm going to give them a try. I picked these up at Ulta and there were quite a few other Valentine nails. These are the only ones I picked up that were really, you know, actual Valentine nails. But I wanted to tell you how I made out with these OPI nails that I did in my last nail video. Now, I have had these nails on for about 10 days, and that's long for me. And actually, I kept them on longer than I would normally because I wanted to make sure I still had some on when I did my next nail video, because I had promised to tell you how I liked them. Now, as far as the glue that comes with these nails, I did not see any difference between the nail glue that came with these nails and the nail glue that comes with the Kiss nails. I prefer the original super glue when I do my nails, and I would use these OPI nails again, but I would use my super glue. I lost quite a few in terms of the nails popping off in the regular course of, you know, life and using my hands. And over the last 3 days, I have continued to lose nails. So I lost this ring fingernail, this index fingernail, this ring fingernail, and this thumbnail. This thumbnail was the most recent to come off. And I did lose some in between that I glued back on with my super glue. One thing that I do have to say about these French tip nails from OPI that I do not experience with the Kiss nails is that the white tip does chip significantly, because the Kiss nails, I do not get this with the Kiss nails. So I'm going to try to show you what I mean, and I'm not sure you're going to be able. It's not looking its best. And I have to say that happened relatively quickly into the manicure. I would say before a week was up, I noticed that the tip was losing its luster. So that being said, I will use these OPI nails again. I will try the color. It's nice to get a variety. It's nice to try different nails and see how they come out. And it's nice to have this variety of nails. Now, these are a little more expensive than the Kiss and Impress nails, but not by much. I noticed that the Impress and the Kiss nails are going up in price. Some of them are now upwards of $12 and $13, which is the price of these OPI. So price-wise, I wouldn't say that there's that big a difference anymore, although you can still get these Impress nails for a little less money. These are the press-ons. I'm not going to put glue. I'm going to see how they do without the glue to see, because normally, back in the day, the Impress nail glue was phenomenal and those nails did not budge. And then when they came out with the color nails, those nails did not stay on well at all. But I'm going to go with these and use just the nails instead of adding glue, and we will see how we do. So let's take the rest of these nails off and get these nails on and see how they come out. All right, guys, so I have the new set on, and I have to say they're very pretty. They're long, a lot longer than I'm used to, but they have a pointed tip, so I'm not sure. Maybe I will do okay with the length of these nails typing. I will try. I like them. I think that they make my hands look, you know, long. My fingers look long and delicate. The little hearts are so cute. So, very easy, pre-glued. They feel good. They feel nice and secure. So these nails are called Love Like This. They do have one nail that has some pearls on it, which is cute. I didn't use those. I just used all the French tip and the two little hearts. So that's going to do it for this nail video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. I hope that you are getting your Valentine nails on and that you were inspired by this video. So there's still time, definitely, to go out and find your Valentine nails. Check Ulta, check your local CVS or Walgreens, Target, Walmart. I'm sure you're gonna find some. And send me a photo of your Valentine nails. I would love to see them. You can send it to me at angelbridgelisa@hotmail.com. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.